Hello, I'm Thamizharasu, your guide on this transformative journey into the world of customer journey mapping. Whether you're a seasoned marketer, a business owner, or just starting out, understanding the customer journey is pivotal in today's competitive landscape. Why? Because it's all about enhancing user experience, personalizing customer interactions, and ultimately driving success for your business. So let's dive in and unlock the secrets to creating powerful, effective customer journey maps that will set your brand apart. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to get more insightful content that will help you grow your business. 1. Introduction to customer journey. Mapping, understanding the basics. Customer journey mapping is more than just a buzzword. It's a strategic approach to understanding and improving your customer's experience. Imagine walking in your customer's shoes, seeing what they see, feeling what they feel at every interaction with your business. That's what these maps help you do. Visualize the path your customers take from discovering your product to making a purchase and beyond. 2. The importance of customer journey mapping in enhancing user experience. Why focus on the customer journey? It's simple. By understanding the journey, businesses can identify pain points, streamline processes, and deliver value at every step. This not only boosts customer satisfaction but also loyalty and advocacy, which are gold in today's market. 3. Step-by-step guide to creating your first customer journey map. Starting your first map can seem daunting, but fear not. Begin with setting clear objectives. What do you want to achieve with the map? Then gather data, lots of it. From customer feedback to analytics, every bit helps. Next, identify key customer touchpoints, map out customer emotions, and finally, analyze and act on your findings. 4. Key elements to include in your customer journey map for maximum effectiveness. For your map to be truly effective, ensure it includes customer personas, touchpoints, emotions, and moments of truth. Adding channels of interaction and potential obstacles can also provide deeper insights, making your map a powerful tool for decision-making. 5. Utilizing data to inform your customer journey mapping process. Data is your best friend in journey mapping. Use analytics to understand how customers interact with your website, social media insights to gauge engagement, and customer feedback to capture the emotional journey. This data-driven approach ensures your map is rooted in reality, not assumptions. 6. Segmenting your audience for a more personalized customer journey. Not all customers are alike. Segment your audience to tailor the journey for different groups. Consider demographics, behavior, and preferences. Personalization is key to making each customer feel valued and understood. 7. Overcoming common challenges in customer journey mapping. From data overload to lack of buy-in, challenges abound. Tackle these by focusing on actionable insights, securing executive support, and keeping the customer at the heart of your efforts. Remember, it's a journey for you too, one of learning and improvement. 8. Integrating customer feedback into your journey maps to drive improvement. Your map is never set in stone. Integrate ongoing customer feedback to keep it alive and relevant. This ensures your strategies adapt to changing customer needs and expectations, keeping your business agile and customer-focused. 9. Case studies. Successful customer journey mapping examples from leading brands. From tech giants to retail leaders, many brands have harnessed the power of customer journey mapping to achieve remarkable results. First up, we have Starbucks. Yes, the coffee giant that's probably fueled many of your late-night adventures or early morning wake-up calls. But have you ever stopped to think about why you keep going back? It's not just the coffee, it's the experience. Starbucks has mastered the art of customer journey mapping, focusing on creating a personalized experience at every touchpoint. From the moment you step into their store, with the welcoming aroma of coffee, to the ease of using their mobile app for pre-ordering your favorite latte, Starbucks has charted its customers' journey with precision. They even use customer feedback to continually evolve their journey maps, ensuring they're always brewing up something special for their customers. Next, let's talk about Amazon. They've taken the online shopping experience and turned it into a fine art. Amazon's customer journey mapping is a masterpiece of convenience, customization, and communication. They've looked at every step of the online shopping journey, from initial search and recommendations to the excitement of tracking your package and finally the satisfaction of unboxing. Amazon continually analyzes data to streamline this journey, making improvements that make shopping not just easy but almost addictive. These case studies not only provide inspiration but also actionable insights you can apply in your own efforts. 10. Advanced techniques and tools for optimizing your customer journey maps. Today, a plethora of tools and techniques can enhance your mapping process. From AI-driven analytics to sophisticated mapping software, leveraging these can provide deeper insights, automate processes, and scale your efforts. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering customer journey mapping. Remember, the journey doesn't end with a map. It's about continuous improvement, always striving to better understand and serve your customers. Thank you for joining me, Thamizharasu, on this deep dive into customer journey mapping. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe for more insights to propel your business forward. Together, let's create unforgettable customer journeys that lead to unparalleled success.